NSO Class A 2014 Set A Sound and Echo. A man standing in front of a large wall claps two objects against each other at an interval of 1.2 seconds regularly. The echo of the first clap coincides with the fifth clap. If the speed of the sound in air is 340 meters per second, the distance between the man and the wall is what? So, the time between echoes is 1.2 seconds. So, time between echoes is equal to 1.2 seconds given. Also given, the echo of the first clap coincides with the fifth clap. So, speed of the sound also given 340 meters per second. So, the time between first and fifth clap is 4 intervals. So, time between first and fifth clap is equal to 4 intervals. So, 4 into this 1.2 seconds, we will get 4.8 seconds. So, the echo of the first clap returns after 4.8 seconds. Now, the echo path. What is the echo path? It is from man to wall and then from wall to man. So, the total distance travelled by sound is equal to 2D, because from man to wall one distance and then wall to man another distance, so 2D. So, speed of the sound is equal to 2D by T, distance by time. So, speed is given as 340 meter per second. So, 340 is equal to 2D by time is 4.8. So, 2D is equal to 340 into 4.8 is equal to 1632. So, D is equal to 1632 divided by 2, which is nothing but 2 8s are 16, 2 16s are 32. So, distance is equal to 816 meter. So, that was they have asked. The distance between the man and the wall is 816 meter, which is in option C.